Hello everyone. So welcome to this series of knowledge sheets, that as we used to call them. I still remember when I was new in Art of Living, every Wednesday evening a fax used to come of the knowledge sheets by Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar, and we used to really eagerly wait for that. And on the follow-up sessions when we used to go, one knowledge sheet used to be read after the weekly Sudarshan Kriya follow. So now all this 366 to be precise, knowledge sheets have been compiled in this book called An Intimate Note to the Sincere Seeker. And according to me, every single sentence of this book is life transforming, and this is not an exaggeration. Okay? It is precise, perfect, and absolutely mind blowing, and it covers everything under the sun that a human being can experience in a lifetime. Okay, so every video we are going to cover one knowledge sheet. We'll just read out, and I'll share some stories and some anecdotes from my own life. Okay, so let's start with the knowledge sheet number 1.